It's called the passion twist, I guess. Super hard. Actually, it's not hard. I literally just like figured out how to do it. Like I've been like doing it like kinky twist, like really tight, when you're actually just supposed to make it loose. So I'm using Water Girl 24-inch. I don't know what brand this is. Oh, Expression crochet here. And I'm gonna do this is my last pack. So this is what I used 5 because I bought 5 packs. Should I got 6? Oh no, I have 4 left, so I got just enough to finish my hair. Just like, let's see how. I just can't, like, you guys, just letting you know, it's like, what time is it right now? It's 1 o'clock in the morning. And guess who has to be at work in the morning? I do. So I don't know why I started. Oh no, this is my only other day off besides yesterday, Christmas, but I was with family, so I was able to do it. I finally can do it if I can get it open. I literally like went to sleep like an hour ago because he's like, no, I can't go to sleep until you go to sleep, mommy. I'm gonna take like 6 pieces of the hair, the rack back there. I'm gonna like just slide it across. Oh, that's what I've been doing. Like, it works. It makes the hair like super puffy. So yeah, that works great. I could make this 3 pieces, but I don't want to. I want to go to sleep. Take a little nail. I'm using, looks backwards, Edge Wax by Murray Extra Hold. It's really not that great. I wonder how it's gonna slick my baby hairs. But it's not, it's like feel more greasy than anything. Like this stuff is greasy, but I don't have gel. It says Xxclusive, and Xxclusive is definitely not gonna work. Let me just tell you how much I put, y'all. Like that much. First time doing this hairstyle, and honestly, I'm doing the braiding first, so I'm braiding it. And then I'm gonna separate it, separate my hair. That was the 3rd piece. And then start twisting. So what I learned, I was like just twisting like super tight. I learned you gotta twist like really loose. That's how you get it to be fat and like messy. Like these ones, like yeah, I twisted them really tight so they didn't turn out like this one. Like I wanted it to look like this one, like messy like these two, but the other ones are like, they're too tight. They look so I'm just gonna make it loose like I did those 2.
I'm tired. is what they turned out.
Thank you guys for watching the short video, but I just want to like kind of show you guys the style that I that I tried to do. It's supposed to be my hair for New Year's. Hopefully it lasts until then, because then I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah. See you guys next video. Bye.
Shit, they want me to apologize, but I can't. You can talk about homicides, but I can't. You can go talking to these bitches, but I can't. You niggas. I pull up in a vert. It's the middle of December. She pulled up in a skirt. Santa Claus in the hood. I pull up with the work. They call me East Atlanta Santa. When up on me get murked. I'm just trapping through the snow, selling 9 hypocrites and 4 ways. Over there, but I don't fuck with amateurs. I got spiders, yeah, tarantulas. My diamonds are immaculate. I'm not on no romantic shit, but I'm cooking cocaine candles. I'm so free, your hoe can't handle it, but that bitch can suck a dick. Cheated on her face and lip.